How is standard error is different from standard deviation? This is the most important concept. Now, sometimes you can say, sir, what is the standard deviation and what is the standard error? Standard error measures the variation in the sample mean, whereas the standard deviation measures the variation in the individual observation. Is it clear? So, when I'm talking about the population, I'm taking some set of data, getting the sample, and I'm doing the average of this of sample, then it is x bar, and this is applied here, the difference between mu and x bar. But when I am talking about the standard deviation measures, then I am talking about the variation in individual observation. That means, let's say it's supposed to be mu, but in this case x1. Is it clear? So this is the variation what we are talking about in case of standard deviation. This concept is very important to understand. Now, in small understanding, we will explain that what is the parametric and the non-parametric test. Very simple. Parameters like average, mean, median, mode, variation, covariance, coefficient of variance, all are these things we call it the parameters. And when we are doing the testing, we call it parametric test. For an example, normal distribution curve. So if it is a normally distributed, we can calculate everything and so on and so forth. So in that case, I will say these are the parameters or the parametric test. Now, what is the non-parametric test? Non-parameters like age, okay, like age. Then I can say that other examples which are from where we cannot. In fact, in age we can find out the mean, median, mode. Let's say that I want to understand something, some sort of concept related to the male and female, okay, categorical. In those cases, we will not be able to apply the parametric test. In that case, we need to apply the non-parametric test. And one of the examples of the non-parametric test is chi-square test, okay, wherein we try to understand the difference between male and female salary, male and female category, based on that category in number of things like age, salary, importance in corporate domain, and so on and so forth. Those kind of analysis we do considering the non-parametric test.